Something unusual just happened in the global technology market. Billions of dollars were wiped out from Indian IT companies like Infosys, Tata Consultancy Services, and Wipro. And the surprising reason? An artificial intelligence tool called Claude, developed by the startup Anthropic. But here's the twist. Some experts believe this same AI technology that scared investors could actually make the IT industry even bigger. So what really happened? And why did one AI tool shake India's $250 billion IT industry? Let's break it down. Soon after new capabilities were introduced for Claude, investors reacted quickly. Shares of several Indian IT companies began falling, and the Nifty IT Index dropped sharply. Within a short period of time, billions of dollars in market value disappeared. For investors, this wasn't just a normal market fluctuation. It was a signal that artificial intelligence might disrupt one of India's most important industries. But why would AI cause this level of concern? The latest capabilities of Claude allow it to perform many complex digital tasks. It can analyze large data sets, generate detailed reports, summarize documents, assist with coding, and automate business workflows. In other words, it can handle many tasks that previously required teams of analysts, developers, or consultants. And that's exactly where the concern begins. Because many of these services are traditionally provided by IT consulting firms. To understand the fear, we need to look at how Indian IT companies actually operate. Companies like Tata Consultancy Services, Infosys, and HCLTech provide technology services to businesses around the world. These services include software development, system maintenance, testing, data analysis, and IT support. The model is simple. Global companies hire large teams of engineers who work on their technology projects. This outsourcing model has helped India build one of the world's largest IT industries. Today, the sector is worth more than $250 billion and employs over 5 million people. But here's where the story becomes really interesting. The same AI technology that scared investors might actually create an even bigger opportunity for IT companies. But before we get to that, we need to understand why investors reacted so strongly in the first place. Imagine a future where AI tools can automate many repetitive digital tasks. Instead of hiring large teams of analysts or developers, companies might rely on AI systems to handle parts of the work. If that happens, outsourcing contracts could shrink. Project teams could become smaller. And the traditional business model of IT consulting firms might change. For investors, even the possibility of that future was enough to trigger a sell-off. But remember the question from the beginning. Could AI actually make the IT industry bigger? Many experts believe the answer is yes. Enterprise technology systems are incredibly complex. Companies need help integrating AI into their existing infrastructure, securing data, and redesigning their digital processes. And that's where IT consulting firms come in. Instead of just writing code, these companies could become AI transformation partners for businesses around the world. Developers may become far more productive with AI tools assisting them. Projects may be completed faster. And demand for AI expertise could create entirely new services. So rather than destroying the industry, AI might actually reshape it. The reaction to Claude AI shows something important. Artificial intelligence is already powerful enough to influence entire industries and move stock markets. But history shows that new technologies rarely eliminate industries completely. Instead, they transform them. The future of the IT industry may not be about humans versus AI. It may be about humans and AI working together to build the next generation of technology. So what do you think? Will artificial intelligence reduce demand for IT services? Or will it create an even bigger technology industry? Let me know your thoughts in the comments.